Hello you guys and welcome to Jenny Makes It. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks for the third week of August using a kit from Exo Mama's Plan called Hobo Weeks Princess. She has these in various sizes, which is wonderful because if I wanted to, I could match my Stalogy to match this week's as well, which I did buy a kit like that for both of them. But anyways, I will be using this Honey Tulip Creations washi for the top part of the weeks because it does not, Exo Mama Plans does not come with top washi. It only comes with bottom washi, which is totally fine. Here I'm showing you last week's spread, which I totally loved. So I think I'm gonna go with this same concept for this week. So yeah. so we're coming to an end at perfect timing. My children have waken up, and I am just putting down my social media tracker for this week. And I just used a work sticker since there wasn't a social media one. But this is it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed. This layout is more a functional type of layout, and if you want to see the end result, please follow me at Jenny Makes It, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.